Hi, this is Anna with WTI, and I'm here to tell you about the Stone and Lain Dinnerware Set. This is a beautiful 32-piece dinnerware set. It is great where you can have a fancy dinner with, or you can just use it for your everyday meals. It comes in a beautiful matte black. The dinner plate is 10.25 inches. The salad plate is 7.5 inches. And the bowl is just over 5.5 inches. And the mugs hold 12 ounces. It really has a beautiful earthy organic feel. It truly gives you a rustic elegance to any table. And the best part is, if you're anything like me, there is no special cleaning instructions. Everything can go in the dishwasher. So if you're like me that likes a little bit of the edgy, but yet durable, this is definitely a great addition to any kitchen. Again, it's the Stone and Lain Dinnerware Set, and that's my point of view.